SB low, Nike Haley. You feel me? And yes, I know I'm late. I know these are from last year, but I still got a lot of videos to make up. I'm pretty new on YouTube, so it is what it is. I'm a nigga, man. What can I say? I'm on black people time. So yes, I'm late, bruh. But these should not be skipped because they're saucy. And these definitely need to be addressed. We got 2 different laces on there. But yeah, if y'all didn't know, it's your broski Moski back at y'all with a late sneaker review. And yeah, like I said, we got the nike-sb-Haleys here, and these motherfuckers is saucy. These were released June 7th on Sneakers, I believe, and June 5th at skate shops, and they were available for $140, and you do get a standard Nike SB box with interchangeable laces inside. Feel me? And them is saucy, bro. The colors on this shoe, let me see. We gotta get it exactly right. The box reads court purple, black, white, and violet. And yeah, man, what's special about these is they're SBs, of course, bro. Y'all already know what's going on with the SBs, bro. You could expect comfort. Anytime you hear SB in a shoe, you could expect comfort. And what SB stands for, if y'all didn't know, is skateboarding, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, check these guys out, bro. You feel me? These are a work of art. We got the purple part. I don't know if people knew this, but they're very, you feel me? They're very velvety, like a velour suit from back in the day that the Diddler used to wear. You feel me? Y'all remember in the early 2000s when motherfuckers used to wear velour suits? But yeah, that's what that purple part is right there. It's really buttery. Damn, that took me back. Velour suits. Y'all remember them? Do y'all remember velour suits, bro? They had Rockaware ones, Platinum Fubu. What else? Sean John, all type of shit. Even regular brands for y'all ladies out there like Bay Bay and shit like that, man. Y'all remember Fat Farm and shit? Boy, that took me back. But yeah, whatever. These are a work of art, blood. On the Nike sign and the white part, well, that's rubber right there. But on the white part, that's leather, except for this right here. Leather with the standard air holes on most SB dunks. You feel me? Rubber sole, and we do get an icy bottom on these motherfuckers. That make them stand out, bro. Between the purple and the icy bottoms, bro, that makes them pop crazy. Whoa. And as y'all see on the bottom, they do come with logos. These are Hayley Wilson logos. I believe they're her tattoos, bro. You feel me? So they put them on her shoe and shit like that. But yeah, man, these motherfuckers go crazy. I can't lie. They candy for sure. What else am I missing here? We got Nike on the back with the Lagoon Pulse color. What else we got? Man, these go crazy, bro. I had to get these. I wonder, did y'all cop these, bro? Because these were very available. These pretty much fit true to size, so don't worry about that too much. And yeah, SBs are the only way to go for me. What y'all think about that? SBs are definitely the only way to go. I do not fuck with regular dunks. If I'm gonna go dunk, I'm gonna go premium dunk. I have this. It's a must. It's a man. It's Mando blood. You feel me? SB dunks over regular dunks any day. I'm not trying to geese y'all. If y'all wear regular dunks, that's on y'all. But my personal taste is SB dunks. You feel me? But by now y'all probably wondering who the hell is Hayley? Who the hell is Hayley Wilson? Right? For y'all that don't skateboard or don't know, or just don't know, of course. Hayley Wilson is a pro skater who's been like competing since she was 15 years old. She's a big deal. And she's from Melbourne, Australia. She's sponsored by SB and she has competed in the X Games, bro, and she's a champion. So that's the info on Hayley Wilson. Some of y'all might care, some of y'all might not care. I'm just here to read the script. But yeah, man. Did y'all cop these SBs right here? Or hey, did you not cop these? God damn. My bad, y'all. I'm thirsty. Need some protein. That's okay. Protein. But yeah, man. Did y'all cop these motherfucking Hayley Wilson SB lows, man? Let me know in the comments down low. And yeah, man, I guess I'll show y'all how I lace these, even though they're already butter, how I did them. But I will relace these just to show y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to rock with your boy. I might be late on some stuff, but hey, I'm going to keep them coming. That's all you need to know. It's going to be a different shoe for you to see. You feel me? And yeah, I'm about to do a lacing for y'all. Of course, I'm about to redo these and show y'all how I did it. Hit that notification bell. We signing out. Here goes the lacing. As y'all know, I do not like choking my shoes, especially my lifestyle ones. There's a time and place for that. Feel me? Like playing a sport. Didn't choke them motherfuckers up. The shoes. You feel me? The lifestyle, oh yeah. I am walking loose, bro. Loose lacing only. I'm lounging. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy the lacing.